Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I want to do a product overview for you guys on the MBS Strong. This would be a brand new model, potentially available 2023, 2024. This model's not UL or ULC listed for North America. That's homeowners insurance, building inspections, wet inspections. Be sure to check with those officials before considering this stove too seriously. Now this here in Europe would actually be sold as a built-in model. So technically these units are going to be like zero clearance. You could put a cabinet right up to them. Now, because this model's not UL listed, you do need to abide by North American standards. Technically, if it's not UL listed, it should have a 24-inch clearance. We can do, temperature readings, and probably determine it's obviously safe because it's sold here in Europe. But again, if you're doing any type of inspection, the only way to get around that without certification would be to use a true non-combustible surface to frame up to it, which would basically be masonry brick or any kind of like stainless steel, metal cabinets, using metal studs for that type of material around the stove. So just keep that in mind when you see photos from Europe and things where it's very close, tight clearances. It's because they do have a different testing standard. Inside the firebox, we have these beautiful large glass doors, and it is nice thick rope gasket material all the way around the door. Firebox is going to be cast iron lining on the sides, the rear, and a cast iron grate at the bottom. We do have a log roller to keep the grate from rolling forward. This is going to be a nice enamel ash pan, which is going to be much cleaner when you're taking out your ashes. I really appreciate that. Your damper controls are going to be located right here, primary and secondary on the top. Your oven is huge. This is probably like 18 inches tall. It does have 3 different racks to have different levels for cooking. So you have your primary, secondary air control, and then your oven damper control located here on the top of the stove. So this is going to be a convection style model, which means it has the air holes on the top of the unit. That's going to really help push the heat up and out into the room. So again, this would be a new model for us. It does have one single removable lid located at the top of the firebox. This could be removed, a pan could be inserted for wok style cooking. This is going to be available in a top or a rear vent stove, and it can be ordered with a left or a right hand flue. I really hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like the videos, give them a quick thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.